Today we're gonna make shōgayaki, ginger pork.
Cut an onion in half and peel it. Slice it into thin rounds. Next, prepare the sauce. Combine sake, soy sauce, sugar, and grated ginger in a bowl and mix well. Prepare thinly sliced pork and spread it out on the plate. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Then lightly coat with flour. Mix to ensure uneven coating. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the pork and stir fry until it changes color. Remove the pork from the pan. Add the onions to the same pan and stir fry until they soften and turn translucent. Return the pork to the pan and pour in the sauce. Mix well. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for a few minutes. Once the sauce is evenly distributed, it's ready! Shredded cabbage is the classic side dish for this dish. Its refreshing crunchy balances the rich flavor of the ginger pork. Thinly slice the cabbage and soak it in cold water to make it crisp. Drain well and serve alongside the pork.
So today's soup is miso soup with wheat gluten. It's called ofu.
First, soak the wheat gluten in water until soft. In a pot, bring water to a boil and dried wakame seaweed, dashi stock. Once the wheat gluten is soft, squeeze out the excess water. Chop green onions finely for garnish. When the water in the pot boils, dissolve miso paste into it. Finally, add the wheat gluten and let it simmer briefly. Pour the soup into bowls and sprinkle with chopped green onions. Your amazing miso soup is ready!
Next, we're gonna make side dish. It's called namasu. It's pickled daikon radish and carrot.
Peel the daikon radish. thinly slice it horizontally using a katsuramuki technique. Then stack and cut into thin strips. Peel the carrot and slice it thinly using a peeler. Stack the slices and cut them into thin strips as well. Place the daikon and carrot strips in a bowl. Sprinkle with salt and massage them gently. Let the vegetables sit for 10 minutes to soften and make them more absorbent to the dressing. For the dressing, mix sugar, vinegar, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Squeeze out excess water from the salted vegetable. And mix them with a dressing. Serve on a plate and sprinkle with white sesame seeds. The refreshing pickled salad is complete. いただきます。おいしい。うん